How to stay fit. Staying fit is not just about looking good. It's about feeling good and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Fitness contributes to better physical health, improved mental well-being, and increased energy levels. Here's a guide to help you stay fit in practical and achievable ways. 1. Establish a balanced diet. Nutrition plays a crucial role in staying fit. A balanced diet includes a variety of foods from all major food groups, fruits and vegetables. Aim for at least 5 portions a day to provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Proteins include lean meat, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts for muscle repair and growth. Whole grains, choose whole grain bread, rice, and pasta for sustained energy. Healthy fats, incorporate sources like avocados, olive oil, and nuts in moderation. Avoid processed foods, excess sugar, and unhealthy fats. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated and support bodily functions. 2. Engage in regular exercise. Physical activity is vital for maintaining fitness. Find activities you enjoy to make it easier to stick with a routine. Cardio workouts. Activities like jogging, swimming, cycling, or dancing improve heart health and endurance. Strength training. Weightlifting or bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats build muscle and increase metabolism. Flexibility and balance. Yoga, pilates, or stretching exercises enhance flexibility and reduce the risk of injury. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week, as recommended by health experts. 3. Prioritize rest and recovery. Rest is as important as exercise. Your body needs time to repair and strengthen. Ensure you get 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to promote recovery and overall well-being. Include rest days in your fitness routine to prevent burnout and overtraining. 4. Maintain an active lifestyle. Incorporate movement into your daily life. Simple habits can make a big difference. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, walk or bike to nearby destinations instead of driving. Stand up and stretch during work breaks, especially if you have a sedentary job. 4. Maintain an active lifestyle. Incorporate movement into your daily life. Simple habits can make a big difference. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, walk or bike to nearby destinations instead of driving. Stand up and stretch during work breaks, especially if you have a sedentary job. 6. Focus on mental health. Your mental health impacts your physical fitness. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or breathing exercises to reduce stress. Engage in hobbies or activities that bring you joy and relaxation.
7. Stay motivated. Keep yourself motivated by setting achievable goals, celebrating small milestones, and surrounding yourself with supportive friends or fitness communities. Mixing up your routine can prevent boredom and keep you engaged. Conclusion: staying fit is a journey that requires a balanced approach to diet, exercise, and mental well-being. By making small, consistent changes to your lifestyle, you can improve your overall health and enjoy the benefits of a fit and active life. Remember, fitness is not about perfection, it's about progress. Start today and take one step at a time toward a healthier you.